I'm currently receiving hundreds of club cards through the post. Someone is sending them to me, some people are sending them to me. I really need my address to be blacklisted.
No, I can't help you. I don't work here. Okay, fine.
Bye!
Hey up, and welcome to Callum Does
Crystal Myth. I am tripping my bloody nut off. Now, for something completely different.
I've decided to do for you a little reaction video. My last one on Mein Kampf was quite in-depth, and some of them I do want to be just little reaction videos, and I'm going to be busy for the next couple of days.
Fapping off left, right and centre.
You made me watch Shrek is Love, Shrek is Life, which was weird, but definitely an experience, and don't hold me, I'm scared. It's something you've asked for on stream that I kind of look at and react to sounding. Anyway, let's get
Right into the news.
You fucking
not suitable for work.
34. Oh, no, chill. Stop that. That's filth. That is absolutely disgusting. Through editing, what he made me do was disgusting. Right? Now, for something completely different.
Again.
This is why you clean and inspect your sound. How do you inspect a sound? This one's all blurred. Jeez. Whoa. Something inside his penis.
Ow! That hurt!
Bile on my bloody Jordans have got wretched on the floor.
It was absolutely magnificent. Hey up and welcome to Callums Corner. Right, today, by popular demand, I am going to complete the
Sounding
challenge. I think it should be interesting, quite educational, because there are literally thousands of people in this country
sounding
every day. I don't think there's a sound. Ow! Ow! My willy! Ow! Jesus, that hurt a lot!
Hey up and welcome to Callum's Corner. It's been the worst night of my life.
I cut the knob off. So now I am a girl.